Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best trumpet you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best trumpet on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best trumpet are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Mendini by Cecilio Bb Trumpet. Mendini by Cecilio trumpets are ideal for beginner or student musicians. This trumpet features a phosphorus copper mouthpiece, topped with 3 comfortable white mother-of-pearl inlaid keys and 3 smooth action valves. This is why thousands of instructors have approved these trumpets. This trumpet package includes a plush-lined nylon-covered hard shell case, a pair of gloves, a soft cleaning cloth, and a bottle of valve oil. This well-crafted beginner trumpet for adults or kids produce a crisp, loud and high-quality sound. Paired with a committed player or enough practice, any one of these colorful brass instruments can be the right start to a jazz band. Ideal for beginner or student musicians. This student trumpet has a copper lead mouthpiece, is topped with 3 comfortable mother-of-pearl inlaid keys and 3 smooth action valves. The adults and kids trumpet has a beautiful and durable brass body with 5-inch bell and .460-inch bore, phosphorus copper mouthpiece, and smooth action valves. It also has a first valve slide thumb saddle and adjustable third slide lock. The B-flat trumpet for kids and adults are available in a variety of vibrant and colorful lacquered finishes. Every player can pick a finish that fit their personality. A durable plush-lined nylon-covered hard shell case with backpack straps, silver-plated 7C mouthpiece, and trumpet accessories that include polishing cloth, a pair of white gloves, and a bottle of valve oil. For details, let's watch more. Our second best trumpet is Glory Bb Trumpet. The sound and timbre of HERCHE Bb Trumpet are pure and bright, abundant and powerful. Equipped with 7C trumpet mouthpiece, smooth air intake, easy to play. HERCHE Trumpet's brass musical instruments adopts the trend color collision design of double color, and the materials are respectively made of brass, white copper, phosphorus copper, with fuller timbre and excellent resonance. With dazzling colors and elegant looks, this set of trumpets is the perfect companion for your children and friends on their musical journeys. French original imported piston, better elasticity, the trumpet is very durable in the playing process, no need to worry about stuck. The sound is rich, shocking, and has a long service life. Copper nickel water valve design, anti-corrosion and anti-rust, easy maintenance. The sound of the trumpet is the popular BB sound, suitable for beginners and experts, such as students, band performance or experienced children, adults and all stages of practice, ensemble performance. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Yamaer BB Standard Trumpet. This Yamaer trumpet is the YM500 model in the YM series. It is composed of high-quality brass body and accessories made of other materials. Suitable for beginners and students who need to learn. Its cost-effective ratio will certainly exceed your expectations. It is matched with a carefully designed hard case bag for easy to carry. A full set of accessories you need will be given. See the following description for details. The sound and timbre of Yamaer BB Standard Student Trumpet are pure and bright, abundant and powerful. The tone are accurate and more explosive with excellent vibration. The student trumpet set has a beautiful and durable 68 brass body. The diameter of the bell mouth is 123 mm, the diameter of the pipe is 11.65 mm, and the length of the pipe is 1.355 meters. Only use real solid and beautiful brass, designed with high quality elasticity piston without worrying of getting stuck. Smooth action valve system can bring you a lot of playability of trumpet. Easy to learn and play, it is a band approved trumpet trusted by many students and beginners. This is an excellent instrument for both student beginners and music professionals. Well-designed durable drain valve is easy to clean the saliva out. Nickel-plated screw saliva is not easy to rust, which can save your time and cost. Wind instruments need careful maintenance and cleaning after each use. This can make beginner trumpet a long-lasting service life. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Eastar BB Standard Trumpet. The sound and timbre of Eastar BB Trumpet are pure and bright, abundant and powerful, with excellent vibration. Also a user-friendly brass instrument for beginners and students. Equipped with a unique valve system designed by Eastar, the trumpet is highly durable during performance without worrying about getting stuck. The pipe is made of high-quality brass and cupronickel you can trust. The valves link each pipe precisely to provide strong air tightness and high playability. Applying nice-looking lacquer plating, dazzling and shiny color, superb reflection, this trumpet must be a decent choice as a gift for those who you care and love. No matter in daily practice, band or stage performance, this trumpet is recommended by music treachers and trumpeters. Also a decent choice as gift. There is no better time to start learning trumpet than right now. Choose Eastar, and you won't regret. The valve system is of high playability during your smoothly playing, without worrying about getting stuck. Made of high quality material and delicate design, this Eastar trumpet also applies strict QC process to ensure high quality and capacity. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best trumpet list is HERCHE M1 Bb Trumpet. With bright appearance BB standard brass tube body, special pink appearance, making the product more outstanding and bright. Excellent craftsmanship brass body have higher density and resonance, improves trumpet the tone purity. Stainless piston valves responsive, durable, smoothly playing suitable for beginners. Double drain valve, drainage does not rust, easy maintenance, and will not rust due to the corrosion of saliva. Large bore design timbre are pure and bright, excellent vibration. Original mouthpiece, effortless and easy to blow, stable sound quality and durable. Flexible key, strong and wear resistant, one-piece piston for comfortable playing, less mistakes, and stable sound quality. Press design, reduce the rust of the pipe body, and easily maintain the trumpet clean. The BB standard trumpet has a beautiful brass body that is finished off with silver varnished finishes and dazzling with excellent reflection. Durable and solid enough for long time playing. More copper and lead pipe prevent sweat, damage and saliva buildup. Smooth stainless steel valves are easy to move between notes. The water keys on the slides are to empty the condensation liquid from the trumpet without having to rotate it. The third adjustable third valve finger ring allows it to be moved closer so that smaller hands are able to hold the standard trumpet, perfect for kids, students or adults with small hands. The 7C mouthpiece with a medium cup helps beginners easy to make sound. For details, let's watch more.